Hey guys, it's Hannah. So I was doing some scrolling on YouTube the other day and I just happened to run across a makeup tutorial that was filmed in 1946. So we're going to be trying to follow this today. So I already put on some face lotion, which is from Neutrogena. It's oil-free acne moisturizer in pink grapefruit because I have normal to dry skin, and so if I put any makeup on my skin without lotion first, it highlights the dry patches on my face, and so that's not good. Plus, I already scrolled past 3 minutes of this video because it was talking about how to wash off your makeup from your face. And so I figured, this works. And I just woke up this morning. So obviously, blank canvas right here. So yeah, let's go ahead and start watching this.
I'm going to try to give you a few pointers on applying your makeup.
Okay, cool.
The first step is a smooth base. For that, you can use either a makeup pat or vanishing cream.
Okay, so I'm guessing by vanishing cream, they mean foundation, because this makes all your flaws vanish. Just kidding, I honestly don't know what vanishing cream is, but I'm guessing since they're using it as a base and they didn't have primer back then, they're going to be using foundation. So today, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the shade 110 Porcelain.
If instead of the pat you use vanishing cream, the light touch is equally important. Put a little on forehead, cheeks,
Hold
and
up. Are they just applying this with their hands?
The hairline.
I haven't applied foundation with my hands in years. So I don't... I can't use a beauty blender. I'm currently dying inside. It's all good, guys. Yes. We're gonna smooth it into your skin. We're gonna do the exact same with my foundation.
I don't know what you better stop!
It's so streaky. They're just applying it into their skin. Also, they didn't use any primer, so this is gonna look great. I know what I'm gonna be removing in 20 minutes. Okay, hello, we're gonna use you now. What am I even doing with my life? It's not too bad right now, guys. It just feels really wrong. We'll just have to do concealer next because my under eyes are not gonna be covered. It looks patchy. It looks a bit patchy. Oh, I didn't tie back my hair. You know what? They didn't tie back their hair either. So you know what? I'm just not gonna tie back my hair. I don't need to do it for foundation, do I? Do I really need to? Nah, it's fine. It can get in my hair. It's gonna look like trash anyways. Oh my god. If I could just use a sponge, this would go so much faster. But I can't. I don't know if they said to apply it to the neck or not, but we're gonna be doing that because I can. God, I'm so tempted to just reach for my beauty blender right now. This is a real challenge. I challenge everybody else to just try and do this makeup tutorial and remember how far we've come. Back then in the days, they didn't have beauty blenders. They didn't have Kim K teaching us how to contour. They didn't have anything we had. This is gonna be as good as it gets then. Okay, cool. I'm crying inside.
If you use rouge, try putting it on with the tri-dot system. 1 dot directly under the pupil of the eye, the second on the cheekbone, and the third no lower than the tip of the nose.
Rouge equals blush. That's what they call blush. We're using Maybelline Fit Me in 25. They're applying this with the cotton ball. I want to take my brushes. Okay, so they're just doing this in a triangle. Never heard of this method, but we're gonna do it. Okay. So it looked like she just applied it there, there, and there. And then they blended it out. Okay. We're gonna try and make this look as natural as possible then, without taking up all our foundation. Okay. Well, that's a look, I guess. Next cheek. Ooh. It doesn't look even. But you know what? So I figured that was gonna happen.
Blend in carefully until no one can see that the rouge is there. Not even you.
Wait, hold up.
Nothing dates you as much as rouge that shows.
My blush shows. I'm just gonna ignore the fact it shows, because you know what? I don't care.
Lipstick is your exclamation point. Use it sparingly, but well.
I like how they say lipstick, this is the exclamation point. Okay, so I'm using Almond Rose from Maybelline. It's their matte lipstick. Okay, so we're just gonna... They haven't said anything about concealer. This scares me.
Fill in with up and down strokes, so that the lipstick goes with the grain of the skin.
Okay, so we're supposed to blend it in with up and down strokes. So is it the grain of our skin? I don't see how this is doing anything. I just think this is probably how my great-grandma was applying makeup, you know? This is how my great-grandma was doing it. Okay, well, let's see if they do anything else.
Be sure that your lipstick harmonizes with your rouge and your nail polish.
I'm not wearing any, nail polish, but I mean, it goes with my blush. I think this is okay. It's okay.
Now, after applying your lipstick, blot off the excess with a tissue.
Okay, cool, we blotted it. Next step, please.
Last, your powder. It goes over your makeup, all over your face.
My gosh, that's a lot of powder. I guess we're gonna be applying a crap ton of finishing powder. Basically what they're doing is they're baking their face. Their entire face.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
They're just liberally applying this to their entire face, covering up all of their makeup. All of it. Just all of it. Except for lips. Thank God. I'm gonna look like a cocaine addict. There's so much powder. I'm gonna die. Okay. Please tell me we're not gonna leave this on our face and this is tutorial lady.
Use a clean puff or fresh piece of cotton and keep it well filled.
We're just gonna use the other side and we're gonna wipe off our baking. Okay. Hello. So we just wiped off like half our makeup. I don't know if you can see this, but we wiped off like half our makeup now. Please tell us we could use mascara or something.
And before you leave, take a good look at your face. And remember, lots of people will see you in profile. So be sure that the makeup
I know that. I know that. Wait, so you're telling me that's it? We don't even do eye. We don't even do eyes. We just look at her face and go, shit.
Why? 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 Why?
Well, I guess that's the look. We're gonna go ahead and try to copy the style of the time. So just give me a second and this will be changed. Okay. Alright, so I'm back now. I look like I'm from the 1940s. But yeah, this look isn't that bad, I don't think. We're gonna live with it, you know? Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications because I don't have a set schedule yet for my videos just because I'm just starting out. Hello, YouTube community. I am here. Go ahead, turn on those notifications and share this video if you really liked it and you want your friends to watch it too. Maybe try the challenge yourself. I'll link it down below in the description if you want to try it. Thank you guys so much for joining again. I hope you guys have a good week. Adios.